It's Nelson from TechGeekNelson.com, and in this video I want to talk about the brand new gaming laptop from Lenovo Legion. I got to see it a few days ago and it is pretty awesome. So let's talk about the specs first. The laptop has an 8th generation Intel processor. It starts off with a GTX 1050 Ti, and there's going to be an option for a G-Sync display, so you can game at 144 Hz. That is awesome. G-Sync is great if you hate screen tearing. Well, every PC gamer hates screen tearing, so that's a really great option, and I think that's worth getting. Any monitor, any laptop, you definitely want to get G-Sync. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you definitely need to get a G-Sync display. You just got to. Trust me on that. So I got to pick up the laptop and I was pretty surprised how lightweight it really is. Especially the 15-inch model. I think that's a really great choice if you travel a lot. If you're looking for a gaming laptop for at home or at work, then go with the 17-inch. But I think the 15-inch is that right balance of portability and power. So it's thin, it's lightweight, and the best part about the design is that it's great for work and play. You know, not like other gaming laptops where there's RGB everywhere. The logo is RGB. There's RGB on the side, on the back. There's RGB in places that you don't even see it. That's really ridiculous. So this laptop has RGB on the keyboard and a little bit on the back, and the logo is very small. That also has RGB. You can turn those off. I think some people will even look at this laptop and they won't even know that it's a gaming laptop because it has that professional feel to it. It almost looks like a Microsoft Surface, you know, with that gray design, and it's very sleek. The representative described it as sleek but solid, and I think that's a fair way to describe it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this brand new gaming laptop. Is it worth the upgrade? Are you curious to know more about it? And do you guys want to see me do a review on it? So that is it for this video, but I got another one coming up where I'm going to talk about this brand new Cube PC from Lenovo Legion. It's pretty much the 2018 GameCube. It's really awesome.